Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, don't forget to watch the full video and subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a pumpkin card for Halloween. So without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So first you want to go ahead and draw out a pumpkin. If you don't want to draw it out, you could also print out a picture and trace it out. Next you want to trace out your pumpkin with a black marker. Now you want to go ahead and use your scissors to cut it out. Now you just want to use the pumpkin you cut out as a stencil to draw another one on an orange piece of paper. Now you just want to use a black marker to trace out the outline you did in pencil. I just wanted to mention to also check out my previous Halloween pop-up card that I created last year. Don't forget to check it out. I just want to go ahead and use your scissors to cut it out. Using the pumpkin that has carvings on it, you want to turn it around and glue the top of the stem and stick it to the other stem on the other pumpkin. Now I'm going to go ahead and decorate the inside of the card. I'm going to be using these Halloween stickers to decorate it, but you can also use a marker to draw anything you like, or you can even write Happy Halloween on it. It doesn't really matter, however you like, you could decorate it. So here is the completed pumpkin Halloween card. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at artswithsanta. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the full video. Happy Halloween!